What's up, everybody? I'm Tim from Timber Ridge Gifts, back to do another unboxing and supplier review. The company we're checking out today is a container company out of California called Dream Vessels. Now, they got a great selection of luxury candle containers, and as you can see, we have quite a bit to go through today. Now, as we go through our unboxing today, one of the first things you're going to notice is that each container type has a really unique name. So rather than just a boring name like 10-ounce tumbler, you're going to hear names like Zen and Maracas and Amorous. Names that definitely convey just how luxurious these containers are and make sure ordering process a lot more interesting. So we've got a lot to go through, so let's go ahead and open up our first box. Alright, so first up we have the Maracas. This is the Maracas in glossy gold. This is described as a luxury candle tin, which is a term you really don't hear that often. Most candle tins are pretty plain and boring, just either silver, maybe white. Same basic shape, but as you can see, the Maracas is definitely a step up from the average candle tin. Let's zoom in and check the Maracas in glossy gold. As you can see, it's a very large candle tin. Volume on this is 14.2 ounces. As you can see, plenty of room on the bottom for any type of warning labels or branding. Very wide base, which would be perfect for a double or triple wick in your candles. And this enormous lid is going to be perfect for any type of labeling or branding that you might have in mind. Definitely one of the most luxurious candle tins that you're ever going to find. Let's hop online and see what Dream Vessels has to say. Here is the Maracas. Let's check it out. As you can see, it comes in 5 gorgeous colors. Let's check out the gloss copper. There's a bit better look at the dimensions. These are available in cases of 12 or 72. 27.72 for a case of 12. Let's zoom in and get a bit better look. Alright, next we have the Ziva in Black Frost. This is a gorgeous glass container with etched floral design and a matching lid. And the floral design is actually a lotus flower. Let's zoom in and check it out. And here is the Ziva in Black Frost. As you can see, that close-up really shows off that lotus flower design. Matching lotus flower design on top of the lid. You can see the thickness of the candle container. Very heavy-duty glass container. This will hold 11 ounces, and the actual weight of the container itself is 19 ounces. You see, nice flat bottom for any type of warning label or branding. And again, that lotus flower design, just absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you can pick it up on the lid, but it's actually got ridges on the outer rim of the lid. Gorgeous lotus design on top. It does have a small flat spot in the middle. It is possibly an option for some type of branding that you can incorporate with the lotus flower design, or just leave it plain by itself. Definitely something that would add a lot of luxury to your candle line. Let's hop online and see what Dream Vessels has to say about this one. We have the Ziva. Let's check it out. You can see it comes in 10 amazing different colors. We saw mine in Black Frost. Let's zoom in and check out Rose Violet. Bit better look at it. Let's see it without the lid. You can see a bit better look at the dimensions. Comes in cases of 4 or 12. And let's zoom in on the picture, get a bit better look. It really shows off that lotus flower design and the etching along the outer rim of the lid. Gorgeous candle container. Next up is definitely one of my favorites. Design is called the Fleur. As you can see, it's a very unique and gorgeous pineapple design. It's sold as one piece, obviously comes with a matching lid. It's definitely one of those pieces that would make a great container regardless of what you're using it for, but for our purposes, would make an amazing candle. Let's zoom in and check it out. And here is the Fleur. This is mine in Wisteria. Definitely one of my favorites. You can see it's a really fun candle container design. Would make a great container for pretty much anything, but since I make candles, this will definitely make an amazing candle container. As you can see, a little bit of flat on the bottom for any type of warning label or branding. Each container comes with a matching lid. Now, because the lid is so substantial, it is a little deceptive. It can actually make this bottom part look a little bit smaller than it actually is. This is actually an 8-ounce container itself, the bottom part. It just doesn't actually look it with a lid on it. That pineapple design and the wisteria color definitely make for a fun candle container. They do offer some more elegant colors. Let's hop on dreamvessels.com and check those out. And my favorite, the Fleur. Comes in 10 absolutely amazing colors. We saw mine in Wisteria, which is one of the more fun pastel colors they offer. Let's check out some of the more elegant colors. Let's look at it in rose gold. As you can see, just that color change takes it from a fun and pretty to absolutely gorgeous and elegant. Quick look at the dimensions. Comes in cases of 6 or 36. And let's zoom in and get a better look. You can see that color change really makes a difference. This can be a fun decorative candle or a really elegant statement piece. Okay, next up is a candle tin called Zen. Here is my example in glossy copper. So as you can see, it looks a little more like the traditional candle tins that everybody's used to, but with the unique matching lids and gorgeous colors available, it's still definitely a step up from your average candle tin. Let's zoom in and check it out. Again, here's the Zen in gloss copper. Not quite your average candle tin, just the unique lid and amazing colors. Definitely take this a step above average. At 15.2 ounces will definitely make for a great candle. And the flat lid bottom and straight-sided design offer up plenty of room for any type of labeling or branding. Let's hop on their website and check out some more of the colors these come in. And we have the Zen candle tin. As you can see, very similar to the basic candle tin design, but definitely not the basic colors you're going to find with your average candle tin. We saw mine in gloss copper. Let's zoom in and check out the gloss lilac. Quick look at the dimensions, just over 15 ounces. Comes in cases of 12 and 72. And in this picture, you can really see the uniqueness of the lid and that real nice slim design. Kind of takes it a step above ordinary, and the colors available just really push it over the top. Alright, next up is Amorous. Here is my example in rose gold. This one definitely steps it up and really shows off the luxury available from Dream Vessels. In rose gold, this is just absolutely gorgeous. You can see the beautiful ripple design. Each container comes with a matching lid. Definitely something worthy of your best candle making effort. You definitely wouldn't want to put some cheap wax and hobby store fragrance oil in this candle. Something this gorgeous definitely deserves your best effort. Let's zoom in and check it out. The Amorous and Rose Gold, definitely one of the more luxurious candle containers that you're ever going to see. At just over 9.5 ounces, it makes for a great size candle. The container itself weighs just under a pound, so it's nice and heavy duty. What really makes it stand out is the design. As you can see on the top, almost looks like a flower or a sun, which the rays or outer edge of it kind of match up with the design going down the side. So it looks like the whole thing just kind of flows down itself. If you ever want to see your candles on the shelves of some high-end boutique, definitely something you need to consider. Let's hop online and check out the different colors it comes in. Now the Amorous. As you can see, just absolutely gorgeous candle container. We got the really elegant metallic colors up top, or we have these really fun, pretty pastels on the bottom. Let's check out Wild Strawberry. Just a quick look at the dimensions. Holds 9.63 ounces, and it's fairly heavy duty, coming in at just under a pound. It's available in cases of 6 or 36. And let's zoom in and check that design out. You can see that gorgeous sun or star on top. Those ripples radiate from the center. They branch out and grow and continue down the sides of the candle, making for a gorgeous look with or without the lid. Okay, next up is the Siona. Here is my example in Seafoam. As you can see, this is one of the larger ones that we've had today. Definitely a statement piece candle. You can see the star design on the lid flows down to the matching chevron designs, going down the outer edge of the container. With the unique colors available, the size of this container, and the unique design, definitely a container you can use to make an amazing statement piece candle. Let's zoom in and check it out. There's the Siona in Seafoam. Definitely a centerpiece or a statement piece candle. You can see from the close-up just how big this container actually is. The container itself comes in at just under 2 pounds with the lid, and will hold just over 18 ounces of wax. You can see the star design on top matches up with the chevrons going down the side. Gives it a nice, fun, yet still luxurious look, especially with a lot of the different colors that this comes in. Let's hop online and check those out. Next is the Siona. It's available in 10 different colors, ranging from the fun pastels to the really bold colors to the really dark, elegant metallic colors. Let's check out the Cosmic Blue. Again, you can see the dimensions, makes for a very large candle. Comes in cases of 4 or 12. And let's zoom in and check out that star design. You can see the star design starts on the top, radiates out to the sides of the lid, and continues down the side of the candle. That bold design, along with the size of this container, would really make for an amazing statement piece. Next we have the Nove, which is another candle tin. As you can see, it's still a step up from your average run-of-the-mill travel tin. The gorgeous colors available on the rounded bottom definitely make this anything but average. And with prices comparable to most regular travel tins, definitely something worth looking at if you include travel tins in your candle line. Let's zoom in and check it out. Here's mine in gloss lilac. Again, a great little candle tin, but definitely not average. As you can see, that nice rounded bottom definitely gives it that luxurious look. Nice flat bottom and top for any type of branding or labeling. And again, even with all that luxury, the price is still comparable to your average run-of-the-mill candle tin. Definitely something worth checking out if you include candle tins in your candle line. We have the Nove, available in 4 color options. Again, looks similar to your average candle container, but that rounded bottom really sets it apart from anything average. Quick look at the dimensions. It's available in cases of 12 or 72. It's definitely one with that luxury look without the luxury price. Again, it's fairly comparable in price to the straight-sided silver candle tins that you're going to find in most hobby shops. Next we have the Nova. Here is mine in silver. As you can see, it's a tumbler-style candle container. It's probably one of the most simple and standard designs they have. But if you actually saw their color options and held one of these in your hand, you'd be able to see it's really anything but standard and simple. Let's zoom in and check it out. Here is the Nova in silver plated. We'll make a 9.4 ounce candle, which is great for a standard size candle. But as you can see, this container is anything but standard, even though it resembles just the run-of-the-mill tumbler. The different color options available from Dream Vessels really make this stand out. Let's hop online and check out some of the other colors it offers. And here is the Nova. It's available in 10 different color options. And again, somewhat similar to your average tumbler container, but the feel of it and color options definitely elevate it a step above anything that you would call average. We saw mine in silver plated. Let's check out rose gold. Quick look at the dimensions, 9.4 ounces. Makes for a great candle size. This is available in cases of 12 or 72. And there is a close-up picture of it. The picture really doesn't do it justice. You really have to hold it in your hand and feel it to tell just how luxurious it actually is. And last but not least, we're going to step outside the box just a little bit. We're going to check these out. These are actually card diffusers. These are called Mojo. Here's my example in silver. As you can see, it's definitely a step up from your average car freshener. Definitely something unique you could add to your line of candles. Let's zoom in and check out Mojo. And there's the Mojo card diffuser. Definitely a step up from your average air freshener. This holds a 1/4 ounce of your favorite fragrance oil. Comes in 3 amazing colors. Definitely a great addition to your candle line. Something that's a little outside the box. Definitely worth checking out. Let's hop online and check out the different colors. And the Mojo. It's available in 3 different colors. Again, this is a card diffuser, very similar to an air freshener. But as you can see, quite a bit more luxurious than just your average run-of-the-mill gas station air freshener. Quick look at the dimensions. It's going to hold just over a 1/4 ounce of your fragrance oil mixture. It's available in cases of 12 or 144. Definitely thinking outside the box, and could be an amazing product that you could add to your candle line. There you have it, folks. Definitely a luxury candle line worth checking out. Hope you guys enjoyed my review of Dream Vessels. I will leave their website link and social media links in the video description. If you do happen to place an order, let them know that Tim from Timber Ridge Gifts sent you. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Feel free to like and share this video all across your social media. Remember to head to dreamvessels.com. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you next time.